Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provide, including information about the cuisine and meals given for a variety of options. In category 1, you can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 1, room category 3, room category 4, next we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen room categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is outstanding. Guests will enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are allowed to show a photo ID and check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and policies. If you are provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.